Hello everyone. I'd like to share my latest projects and possibly my last journals for this year. This Monday I'm going for a knee replacement finally, so the convalescence period will bring me into January. So these are 3 traveler's notebooks. I used Ephemera's Vintage Garden Woodland Nature Notes digital kit, and they measure 4.5 wide by 8 inches high. The closure is just loose twine. One hand stitch signature for a total of 44 pages. I also used elements from Farm Mirage, Ilopa, Musings by Nikki, Old Design Shop, and Tailor Made Journals. They're pretty much the same. The build is the same. Some images are different. And on the front cover, I made a pocket, and I made a large journaling tag that you can journal on either side, or you can use as a bookmark as you go along in the journal. And with the clip, you can clip notes. Here in the back, I put in this film strip. This from Tim Holtz. There's a lot of Tim Holtz paper also. And as the cover is Tim Holtz paper. The inside cover, that's just fussy cutting from the kit, and I use a lot of this vintage looking tape. The first page, here is a pocket, and I have these field note cards. These are from Musings by Nikki. And this order of description is for plant analysis in the book dated in the 1800s. I have some vintage ledger paper. Here is a. I'm just gonna move this over here so I can see my notes here. This tag is a journal definition tags from Ilopa. And here is a vintage recipe card from the Old Design Shop. Here is an envelope from 1896 that I sewed at the top to make. I opened it to make a top-loading a tuck spot. And this is a journaling card from Tim Holtz. Here is a French, it's a ballot, for a voting ballot. I'm having a hard time talking tonight. And it's dated 1929. It's beautiful paper. This paper is from Tailor Made Journal in her antique paper collection. And this one is from Tailor Made Journals, and it's from her ledger paper collection. In this pocket, this is a vintage business card, Tim Holtz. This is a 1926 preferred stock certificate. And here I made a little notepad with the papers that I used in the journal, or traveler's notebook. Some craft paper. This envelope comes with the kit, and inside I have a little note paper, and also from the little bits, I don't throw out my bits of papers, I made some tabs to use throughout the journal. This is a botanical book page. This is an authentic invoice dated 1910 from Portland, Maine. Another type of vintage ledger page. Here is a library card that I did some fussy cutting, and here is a vintage spelling tablet, a page from a spelling tablet. This is with the collection, this postcard. This is the, that's that seed envelope that I got from my friend Judy from Phoenix, which I love these little envelopes. And I put, that's from the collection, that beautiful owl and this label. Some writing paper. The middle of the signature, I did some fussy cutting. Here is a deposit slip from 1936. I scanned it because I only have the one. And this is play money. This is from Tim Holt's journaling card. This is a repair tag from my Etsy shop. I did some fussy cutting and layout here. And this is from Far Mirage, botanical sketches. I think it's beautiful. There's a bit of sewing, and in here, in this cute little envelope, I have some labels of that size that can be used throughout the journal. The other side of that invoice. Here is a letter dated 1911. There's the envelope, and also inside is the letter. Oops. And it starts with my dear, I think it's Sam, yeah. Here is another postcard with the kit. This is an airmail envelope, and inside, I should take that out. Inside is a vintage, it's a train order, Frisco. I think it's from the US, on the West Coast. And on the other flip side, I put in a little corner pocket with a little label, and inside here is just a little journal paper. This is from leftovers that I had, and so I put it in there. And this is Tim Holtz, another postcard that came with the kit. And this little corner tuck, that's a flinch card from 1912. A tag I made with the Tim Holtz paper. Another definition tag, right. Here is some fussy cutting that I did with the fox label, and this opens up, and there's a little note paper just taped there to write some little notes. This is the other side of the envelope, and inside here I have a repair tag, and this opens up here. Another postcard that came with the collection, and there's the back. So all three are similar, except for some of the paper. Like, I mean, the journaling card. So I won't open them up because they're quite similar. I'll have pictures in my Etsy shop. I'll be listing them later today or tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.